Hi there folks, Gareth here from tracyandmatt.co.uk, and this is a quick unboxing of the Sennheiser MM 400X. These are travel-sized Bluetooth headphones. So, what do we have around the box? Well, it says here you can enjoy music and never miss a call. Obviously, it does music and it does phone calls. Integrated microphone for the iPhone. Doesn't mention anything about Android on here, or for that matter Windows Phone, but we'll have a look and see what happens. It's got a premium wireless headset. These are fairly top end, well I suppose £150 or so off wherever you happen to get them from. Amazon have them about that price. Included in the box, we will have a quick look and see inside the box ourselves. Soft cushions for excellent wearing comfort. Exchangeable battery, highly useful. High performance microphone for calls. True hi-fi wireless quality sound with aptX. Okay. Easy control of music and calls. This is something that is always a problem with Bluetooth headphones. Hopefully these make things an awful lot easier. They all tend to use this nice kind of fold-up method to make them smaller profile for throwing in your hand luggage or just a bag on the go. They brag they've got 10 hours or 10 hours of standby time, that probably is, and 3 hours of usage. Or 10 hours of play, 3 hours of charging time. Ah yes, read the small print, there we go. They weigh 105 grams. They've got a 10 meter radius. They operate on those frequencies, 15 to 22,000 hertz, and version 2.1 plus EDR Bluetooth. Okay, let's get in here and see what they're like. The package is a bit battered, but they are new. I haven't opened these before. Ooh. Okay, that's the box empty. Headphones there. Right, we'll start with this. We have a little Sennheiser bag, which is funny because I just picked up a Sennheiser bag there, and I can't remember what these were for. Not terribly important. Oh, a little set of travel headphones just like those. The lower end one of those, actually, come to think of it, and I think I prefer that case over this case. This looks like a shaving bag. That looks like a headphone case. Right. Okay, so there it is. It's got a zipper on the front for you to store stuff in. A little bit of padding inside it, not a lot, no belt clip or anything, so it is just a bag for you to throw in another bag and keep them protected when they're being thrown around as you travel. Right, inside of that bag there was some cables. Looks to be 2 cables in here. We have a micro USB to USB cable, fairly standard. Feels fairly well made, actually. And here we have a, what's that, a 2.5mm headphone jack to 3.5. Two pole. See the size difference there. Interesting to see where that comes from, unless perhaps that's just designed for certain types of phones. Okay. There's a bit of silver cardboard there. We have a white box. Ooh, with lots of bits inside. Okay, so here we have an adapter for those types of devices that have 2 audio connectors. Given these are £150, it's nice to see that they've gone the extra mile to put a load of stuff in as well, so it'll meet all your needs without having to go out and get anything extra. A European adapter, American adapter. Is that Australian or something like that? I can never remember. It's another areas adapter, UK adapter, and the actual plug itself, which is for USB. For that. Okay. The headphones. aren't we moving on to headphones? No, we'll have a quick look at what this is. This is a manual. It feels like there's a CD in here as well. Give your phone the sound it deserves. That's a CD containing a PDF, I would guess. A list of all the contents. How to set things up. How to do things and how not to do things. And then, of course, a safety guide with warranty information. There's a little card there to pull out. Compliance with FCC and CE. Okay. Right, the headphones. They're really light. Straight up. They're really incredibly light. There's good mechanics here. So that just swivels round and it pops up with 2 clicks. Not really clicks, more just a movement. Okay, and this has like a matted rubber around it. So it's very non-slip, non-fingerprint. I guess it would take a few knocks if you were to drop it. The hinge mechanism is a metal one. Let's move all that crap out of the way. It helps the focus. There's a metal one here. And then there's an adjustable part here, which is fairly sturdy. Give it a bit of a bend there, and it's not budging. And then an L there for left, MM400X, and obviously the Sennheiser logo. And down here we have a little cap for the micro USB charger, which is nice that it's not a proprietary charger or anything. You can charge this off a power bank or anything that just you happen to take with you. You only need one cable. That's great, isn't it, these days, with USB-C coming. And then we have pads here, which are fairly spongy. You can see them taking shape. 2 of them. Sennheiser written along here. And a brushed steel look. And here we have, well, you can make a few scrapes on there. And it rubs off. Then an R for R. That had L, but oh right, there's a bit of braille there. Nice. Okay, R, and obviously the same hinge mechanism. And then these are the controls. And at the bottom we have the 2.5mm headphone jack here. Obviously keeping it small just to make things easier, more compact. Then you can plug that into whatever you happen to be listening to if Bluetooth dies. Alright, so the Bluetooth button's there, and once paired you can use these to interact with your phone. Then we have a microphone hole here. That's on your right ear, and that's obviously pointing towards your mouth. And the button. Okay, so one of the things that this has is a removable battery, and with a little bit of fiddling you can actually get it out. There's a wee button there that you just push down. There's not much movement in it, but you pull it out and then remove the tab from the bottom, although there wasn't a tab on this. That makes me think that they've actually been used before. Lovely. Okay, so I would imagine that you can also purchase another one of these and use them in the same way. It does look to be a little clip there. I don't know, I don't want to start pulling and hauling at that. There's some clips there, but it looks like it's the plastic of the battery goes right up to the edge of the frame. So I don't want to be pulling that out, but if that's removable, I'm sure there's spares of those available on eBay. And if you're not out of battery power on a long flight, you have all kinds of options for powering them back up again. That's not bad. The little ear pads feel quite nice, feel quite spongy, sort of excuse me, It's I'm pretty sure that would be a faux leather. It does have a bit of a leather smell to it, but I can't really tell. Faux leather's getting so realistic these days. Yeah, okay. I don't know how well this is going to function for noise cancelling. However, just for the ease of use, not having the cables and things like that would make this divine on a plane, and then being able to just chuck it down around your neck and walk away whenever you need to. Having the controls here, you to interact with the phone. Very simple, very effective. I look forward to seeing how well these work. I'm going to start using them for the daily commute, see how they do on the bus, and I'll be taking them on a flight next week to see how they do on a plane, and I shall report back and let you know. Alright, well, we're going to test these and see how they do, and we'll put up a bit of a written review alongside this unboxing, and we'll put up a bit of a written review alongside it, so check over on the website tracyandmatt.co.uk for our thoughts on them.